Chicken sandwich. Let's make delicious chicken sandwich. First we take a boneless chicken, ginger powder, garlic powder, red chili powder, and salt added. Add lemon. Mixed well and leave half hour. Add oil in pan. Now put chicken in pan. Well fried in medium flame. Make a sandwich sauce. Take a bread. Apply a sauce on bread and apply salad pata. Put one more bread and apply sauce and put chicken. Add white sauce and put last bread. Now we cooked lightly. When both sides little bit brown, then cut into pieces. Ready for eat delicious chicken sandwich. Delicious chicken sandwich, eat and be happy. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.